Welcome to Future Bike Hub 09. Today, we take you inside the world of next-generation motorcycles with the ZXR Phantom 2026, a concept bike that combines cutting-edge technology, futuristic design, and high-performance engineering. As you watch, notice how the bike is elegantly displayed inside a premium modern showroom, rotating smoothly on a circular platform, allowing a complete 360-degree view. People are gathering around, taking photos, and admiring its futuristic presence, design and styling. The ZXR Phantom 2026 boasts a futuristic aerodynamic design that blends sleek curves with aggressive lines. Front fairing, sharp and angled for superior airflow. Headlights, full LED matrix lights with adaptive beam technology. Fuel tank, sculpted to give an aggressive muscular look while allowing comfortable knee grip. Bodywork, glossy nano-coated finish for maximum reflection and scratch resistance. Even the side panels showcase airflow channels, improving performance and adding a sporty, high-tech aesthetic. Dashboard and technology. Focus on the fully digital dashboard, which is holographic style with vibrant LED display. Speedometer and tachometer with digital precision. Gear position and fuel indicator. Riding modes: Sport, Eco, Rain, and Track. Connectivity: Bluetooth pairing for calls, music, and GPS navigation. Smart alerts: tire pressure, battery status, engine health. The dashboard is designed to be clear in both day and night riding conditions, giving a high-tech, futuristic experience. Engine and performance, concept specs. Under the fairing, the ZXR Phantom 2026 is powered by a next-gen hybrid engine. Smooth acceleration with instant throttle response. Optimized torque for city, highway, and track. Eco-friendly mode for fuel efficiency. High-speed stability with advanced aerodynamic design. The chassis is lightweight carbon fiber reinforced, giving both rigidity and comfort. Braking system: dual disc ABS, rear disc. Regenerative braking for hybrid efficiency. Rear and exhaust. From the back, the bike looks futuristic yet aggressive. Taillight: dynamic LED strip with customizable patterns. Exhaust: titanium-coated performance exhaust, designed for minimal back pressure. Rear wheel: wide tire with sport tread pattern for maximum grip. Suspension: fully adjustable monoshock rear for comfort and performance. Comfort and safety features: rider comfort is a priority. Ergonomic sporty seat. Adjustable foot pegs. Advanced traction control system. Smart ride-by-wire throttle. Multiple riding modes for different terrains. Safety is integrated with ABS. Stability control, smart indicators, and adaptive lighting, ensuring the rider is protected in all conditions. Showroom experience. As the ZXR Phantom 2026 rotates, notice the attention to detail. People are snapping photos, admiring its sleek curves, high-tech dashboard, and the glowing LED lights. The showroom's LED illumination enhances the bike's futuristic feel, making it a true showpiece.